Hi everyone, how y'all doing? I hope y'all are doing great. This is Praveen from Team Debru, and today's video we are going to talk about Mylead affiliate network review. Before we dive into today's video, if you're interested in joining the fastest growing affiliate marketing community, you can do so by joining the AFK forum powered by Team Debru for free by clicking the link in the description of this video. So what are you waiting for? Join us today. Welcome to today's video, and in today's video we are going to talk about Mylead. Mylead is an affiliate network based in Poland. It was established in the year 2014. Previously it was only available for affiliate from Europe to use it, and only recently they have actually opened their borders. They have made the Mylead network available for affiliate from all around the world. Why were they very specific regarding Europe? Is because their offers are mainly concentrated in Europe, and they have a very good offers from Europe, especially from Poland as well as UK. So before we talk about the Mylead ourselves, let's go and check out what they have to say about themselves in their website. So as you can see over here, a comprehensive platform for earning money. Earn money in easy steps, 5 easy steps. So the first thing you got to do is actually create an account, and then you go ahead and choose almost 500 affiliate program. I think they have more than 900. They never update over here. And then generate a link, normal. For each person they have referral program as well. That's interesting. And also you can conveniently withdraw your money from PayPal and usually send them in 48 hours. The minimum amount you can withdraw is 20 USD. This is one of the biggest highlights regarding the Mylead, is that they are actually a very good paymaster. They have very good reputation when it comes to paying commission. They have a very low threshold, only $20 threshold, guys. That's very low, very low compared to other affiliate network as well. They have a lot of payment methods that you can actually choose from. Later I will show you, once I've entered the dashboard, what type of payment method they have. So let's go down, scroll further, everything over here. Their website is actually very informative. They have a lot of stuff in their website itself. As you can see over here, in Mylead affiliate network you can earn money in several ways. They have CPS offer, they have PPI, pay per install, they have cost per lead, they have IVR. This is something very rare in other networks. Usually they don't have this offer. IVR is a phone connection with increased cost. The publisher receive a commission for every minute of the call. So CPA, cost per action, SMS chat, SMS, global payment. So they have a lot of models over here. As you can go down, scroll further, what else is here? All right, they have a lot of information in their website. Not only on this homepage, guys, they have a lot of information, a lot of section. They have a lot of information, and as you can see, this is the latest article about Myleads in other blogs. So they have quite number of articles. So what are you waiting for? These are their partners, and as you can see, they have their contact details over here, phone number, email. I don't know what is this, I think Telegram, I'm not sure. This is their Skype details, and as you can see, they are based in Poland. So all of these are actually inside their website. They have useful knowledge for beginners, their statistic, tutorials, forum, FAQ, and they have a very strong community base, guys. Even in your dashboard later on, when you will see they concentrate a lot on building their community, and when there's a community of affiliate marketing, sure, in that particular network you can actually learn a lot more. And also over here they have about affiliate programs and everything, and this is one of the highlights that I want to highlight. Let's just Mylead blog, job offers, and all. They have a lot of information in their website itself. And as you can see over here, they actually have, when you press this button, available campaigns in Mylead, it will lead you to this particular page. They actually have all their offers listed in their homepage itself. Like I told you before, not a lot of networks will do this. Most of the networks, 90% of the affiliate network, will only show you their offer once you actually registered into their networks. And only certain networks like ClickBank will show you their offers even before registering into their network. And when they do that, they are very prominent, which means they show you, this is my offer, if you're interested then you can join us, and definitely they will be more transparent. And I prefer networks like this. And as you can go, there's a lot of offers over here. You can even choose the model that you want, and then what type of verticals that you want. There's a lot of stuff over here, guys. Definitely this is one of the networks that you should definitely check out. Let's go and check CPL, cost per lead, the one that I like. Let's go ahead and check on single opt-in as well as sweepstakes and email summit. So they have a lot of offers, guys. Mostly it's adult entertainment is over here, adult casino. Let's go and see. They have 9 pages, so they have 25 times 10, somewhere around 250 offers in sweepstakes alone. So this is quite interesting, guys. This is actually quite interesting. I like this a lot. So once you have checked out all their website, all you gotta do is go and sign up with them. Once you have signed up with them, this is how their dashboard will look like. As you can see, there is a lot of info. The website, the dashboard itself looks very informative, guys, as you can see. But the thing about this website, the thing about this dashboard, what I think is there's too many things. A lot of things are over here, so it seems to be very compact, very complicated. But then it's not actually very complicated. They have everything. They are very creative, guys. Even in the clicks over here, if you, for example, if you go to their chart, you can actually see something like this. Is very interesting. Commission withdrawal and stuff like that. Then they have a lot of stuff over here. Statement of year earning. This is the time that actually, if you have money, you can actually withdraw your money by this time. So quite interesting. Reason commission maps, everything is quite nice. Well done, guys. Well done for the design of the website. And in the homepage of the desktop itself, as you can see, there's a lot of stuff going on. There's news. They have their forums over here, and in the forums they say you're the best because you earn with Myleads. All right, then they have changes in their program. Everything is informed in their dashboard itself. Recommended offers, and these are actually the chat box. This is something that you will never see. Very hard to see this in any affiliate network. Personally, I have not seen this in any affiliate network. They actually let you chat with their current affiliate over here itself. And over here they can actually tell you online 47 are actually online, including 2 hidden. So you can actually chat over here. The only downfall about this is that usually most of them will talk in Polish or European language. So if you're not from Europe, so it's very sad for you. It's very sad for me. I'm not from Europe. As you can see, a lot of Polish over here. So but still, this is a very good initiative. A lot of companies, a lot of affiliate networks should actually follow their thing and do the stuff like this. If there's a desktop like this, there's actually a communication between the affiliates that would be very helpful for affiliates, especially new beginner affiliates. So when you go to the offer section over here, it's normal thing, guys. We have already seen the offers, so the offers are still the same over here. And they have smart link over here. They have pay per install. They have also traffic sources over here, where you can actually add your traffic sources from other places like propeller ads and stuff like that. Statistics, your leads, everything. And they have a very big community. Like I told you before itself, they have a very big community. You can actually go to their forum, their gallery, their blog. And this is their webmaster for this session is for the global post bag and stuff like that. I've not set it up everything. This is where actually you can set up your global post bag and everything. And let's go to the payment section. This is the one that I want to actually tell you guys about. Actually go to the profile, go to the setting part over here, and over here you can actually see what type of payment that they have. Over here they have PayPal, they have Skillreel, they have Web Money, they have e-payment, they have Paza, and they have a lot of payment method that you can actually actually get paid with, and this is one of their biggest highlight about this network. And they give you 5% referral commission as well. So basically, even though this network was just open to the public, they also have a support section, beginner guides and everything, guys. They also have something called foreign rates, which they actually tell you how much rate is in different countries translated to Polish currency. That's great. That's especially very great. So why they never opened their door, I'm not sure, but now they have actually opened their door for affiliate from worldwide to join. That's a good thing. This network is very popular among Europeans, and now it is available for everybody from all over the world to use it. I think I've covered most of the part regarding this network, so we have reached to the end of today's video. I hope this video was beneficial for you. If you have any question regarding today's video, do not hesitate to drop us a comment below, just below this video, and we will get to that particular comment ASAP. And if you're interested in joining the fastest growing affiliate community, you can do so by joining the AFK forum powered by Team Debru for free by clicking the link in the description of this video. Thanks again for watching.
Are you struggling with your affiliate marketing business or want to take things to the next level? Allow me to introduce you to Dijs University. Dijs University is the #1 affiliate marketing training platform in the world. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced affiliate marketer, Dijs University offers you thousands of different videos with topics such as Facebook, volume, adplexity, and many more of your favorite topics. Step by step, you will learn the secret super affiliate ways to get the most out of each traffic source. Dominate each vertical with our detailed quick start guides. Are you ready to get started? Click the link in the description to sign up today.